Welcome to Premier Career College. Since 1991, we have been educating and training students to become future healthcare and business professionals. Premier Career College has served as the gateway to the workforce for thousands of students. Located in the beautiful city of Irwindale, California, the college is conveniently located where the 10 and 605 freeways meet, making it accessible for those traveling from near or far. Here, our mission is to train students from a cross-section of academic and economic backgrounds. We aim to nurture an environment that is both professional and relational, giving all students the opportunity to grow the skill sets that will qualify them to work as employees in medical and business industries. Premier Career College offers several specialized nursing, medical, and business career training programs designed to provide both effective theory and practical experience so students can quickly and thoroughly prepare themselves for the career they desire. The courses we offer include vocational nursing, medical assistant, hospital central service technician, associate of occupational science in surgical technology, general office assistant, financial records processing, and now for the first time, Premier Career College is currently offering an RN to BSN degree. While the healthcare profession has always been in high demand, there is no better time than now to pursue your passion for helping others. Flexible class schedules, online courses, and open enrollment help cater to the students' availability. For over 3 decades, our staff of trained and certified professionals, instructors, and advisors have helped thousands of eager students prepare for a diverse selection of professional opportunities. Premier Career College is committed to your success. Connect with us at www.premiercollege.edu. Financial aid options are available to help make your educational goals more affordable. We look forward to meeting you and learning about how we can connect and guide you towards your new career. Heroes train here. Welcome to Premier Career College.